Dear students, have a nice time. In the last class, we studied about power series. A series of the form summation n equal to 0 to infinity an x to the power n. Today, we will try to solve differential equations using power series. First problem is y dash equal to y. Let this equation has a power series solution y equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus etc. So we assume that this is the solution of this differential equation y equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity an x raised to n. And what will be y dash? Differentiating term wise, we have the derivative of a0 is 0, a1x has derivative a1, a2x square derivative is 2a2x plus etc. And the given differential equation is y dash equal to y. So we may equate these two equations. So this power series is actually equal to this one by this equation, and you may equate the coefficients of like powers of x. So first we equate the constant term a0 equal to a1. That's the first equation here. Then we equate the coefficient of x. Here it is a1, here it is 2a2. So we have 2a2 equal to a1 or a2 equal to a1 by 2. Then you express a2 in terms of a0. a1 is actually equal to a0. So just substitute here a2 equal to a0 by 2. And a3. Here equating the coefficients of x square, we have here a2 equal to 3a3 or a3 equal to a2 by 2. And what is a2? It is a0 by 2. So we have a3 equal to a2 by 3, that's equal to, in terms of a0, we have a0 by 2 divided by 3, that is a0 by 2 into 3 or a0 by 3 factorial. Likewise, you may evaluate a4, a5 etc. and you may generalize it as an equal to a0 by n factorial. So in the series solution y equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity an x to the power n, actually we found all the coefficients a0, a1, a2, a3 etc. Therefore the solution of the corresponding differential equation is y equal to, just substitute for a0, a1, a2 etc. So we have y equal to a0 plus a1 is a0 itself, so a0x plus a2 is a0 by 2 factorial into x square plus a0 by 3 factorial x cube plus etc. And you may take the constant term a0, which is a common factor to all the terms. It may be taken outside, a0 into 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus etc. And this is actually e to the power x. This is an expansion of e to the power x. So the answer is y equal to a constant a0 into e to the power x. You may get the solution by direct solution also. Actually, this differential equation can be solved by the method of separating variables. dy by dx equal to y. Separating the variables, we have integral 1 by y dy equal to integral dx. That is ln y equal to x plus a constant, or y equal to e to the power x plus c. That is a constant into e to the power x. That is actually the solution we got here. So this is the method of solution of a differential equation using power series. One more problem. Find a power series solution for 1 plus 6 into y dash equal to py, where y of 0 equal to 1, and deduce the binomial series. We assume that this differential equation has a power series solution of the form y equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus etc. plus nth term is an x to the power n plus etc. And it is given here an initial condition y of 0 equal to 1. So when we substitute x equal to 0, value of y equal to 1. So what happens here, when x equal to 0, all the terms from the second terms onward becomes 0. So we have y equal to a0. And here y equal to 1 at x equal to 0. So we have a0 equal to 1. Now y dash equal to a1 plus 2a2x plus 3a3x square plus etc. Here in the equation we have y dash plus x into y dash equal to py. So here we have y dash. Now we have to find x into y dash. So it is a1x plus 2a2x square plus 3a3 x cube plus etc. plus n x to the power n plus etc. And now we want py. So p into y is multiply p with this equation. Here we have p a0 plus p a1x plus p a2x square plus etc. Now the equation is y dash plus xy dash equal to py. So we have to add these two equations and equate it to py. First consider the constant term. Here it is the constant term a1. We have to add y dash and xy dash. Here there is no constant term, and here the constant term is pa0. So a1 equal to pa0. That is the first equation. a1 equal to pa0. Since a0 equal to 1, we have already located it. So we have a1 equal to p. Now we have to equate the coefficient of x. We have to add these two equations first. So the coefficients of x are 2a2 here it is a1. So 2a2 plus a1, that is here 2a2 plus a1 equal to py. In py, coefficient of x is pa1. So we have 2a2 plus a1 equal to pa1. It's the equation here. From this equation you have to find a2. For that, 2a2 equal to pa1 minus a1, that is p minus 1 a1. So a2 is p minus 1 a1 by 2. And you have to express it in terms of a0. a0 is actually equal to 1. So here it is a1 equal to p. Just substitute here. So a2 equal to p into p minus 1 by 2. Likewise, you have to equate the coefficients of x square. You have to add these two terms. So we have 3a3 plus 2a2. 3a3 plus 2a2 equal to the coefficient of x square in this equation is pa2. So equate it to pa2. From this equation, you have to find a3. It's equal to p minus 2a2 by 2. And a2 is p into p minus 1 by 2. Just substitute here. So we get a3 equal to p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 by 3 factorial. Likewise, you can generalize it as an equal to p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 into etc. p minus of n minus 1 by n factorial. When we find a2, here it is p minus 1. The term is ending with p minus 1. When it is a3, the term is ending with p minus 2. So when it is an, the term should end with p minus of n minus 1. So here we have the term an. So what is the power series solution? It is y equal to a0 plus, a0 is 1, plus a1x plus a2 x square plus a3 x cube. Just substitute for a0, a1, a2, a3 etc. So this is the power series solution of the given differential equation. Now we can find the radius of convergence. This is a series solution. You have to find which are the points of x in which this solution is valid. What the formula? R equal to limit n tends to infinity modulus of an by an plus 1. An is p into p minus 1 etc. p minus of n minus 1 by n factorial. Pn plus 1 is p into p minus 1 into etc. p minus of n divided by n plus 1 factorial. So n factorial cancels here. So we have n plus 1. It goes to the numerator. So here p into p minus 1 etc. p minus of n minus 1 cancels here. Here the term remains as p minus n. So what remains? It is limit n tends to infinity n plus 1 by p minus n. Since it's a limit at infinity, you have to divide each term by n here. So it may express it as modulus of 1 plus 1 by n by p by n minus 1. You divide all the terms here with n by n. So when n tends to infinity, so the limit becomes limit n tends to infinity becomes limit 1 by n tends to 0. So when 1 by n tends to 0, this 1 by n and p by n tends to 0, and what remains is limit equal to 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. So here the radius of convergence equal to 1. That means that the power series converges for mod x less than 1 and it diverges for mod x greater than 1. Hence it is the desired solution. Now we have y equal to 1 plus x whole raised to p is a solution for 1 plus x into y dash equal to py. When we substitute y equal to 1 plus x raised to p here, y dash is p into 1 plus x raised to p minus 1. And we have 1 plus x into y dash, p into 1 plus x raised to p minus 1 equal to p into 1 plus x raised to p, that is 1 plus p minus 1 is p, and that is equal to py. So this y equal to 1 plus x raised to p is a solution of the differential equation 1 plus x into y dash equal to py. Now here we have another solution for the given differential equation. So you may equate the differential equations, you may equate the solutions because the differential equation has a unique solution always, you know. So we have 1 plus x raised to p equal to the power series solution of the differential equation 1 plus px plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial x square plus etc., which is called the binomial series. So you may derive the binomial series using the solution of the given differential equation using power series method. Now try to do the similar problems. Find the power series solutions. Y dash equal to 2xy, y dash plus y equal to 1, x y dash equal to y, x square y dash equal to y. By finding power series solution for y dash equal to 1 plus y square, show that tan x equal to x plus x cube by 3 plus 2 by 15 x raised to 5 plus etc. Here first you obtain the power series solution of this differential equation, then you find the direct solution because we may write this as dy by dx equal to 1 plus y square. So by separation of variables you can solve this differential equation. Then equate the two solutions. Then we will get a relation like this. This is actually the power series expansion of tan x.